Yes, of course it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Alyssa back with another video. So today I have my pink lights on and I'm going to be doing a makeup collection organization type thing. Basically a tour of my makeup collection and my desk that I keep it all on. So this has been requested, so I thought I would do it. I did it like a couple years ago or something like that, and I'll leave the videos linked down below if you want to see how my desk has changed. But I thought I would do it again because I haven't done it in a while. So not too much has changed, but I have moved it around a little bit. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe because it helps me out a lot. So please subscribe down below, like this video for more videos like this, and also make sure to follow me on all my social media. Recently I've been kind of promoting my TikTok and my Instagram for the most part, so I'll have those down below in the description and on the screen somewhere. So yeah. So first off, this is an overview of my desk. I have no idea where I got the desk. I'm pretty sure I got it from my aunt and uncle, and then we painted it white. But then I do know this chair is from Walmart. But yeah, this is an overview of my desk. That's kind of dirty, I'm sorry about that. So I'm gonna start over in this corner. There's not too much to my desk, but I'm just gonna show you the top part. I'm not gonna go into these drawers. If you're just wondering, these drawers are just filled with random stuff. It's pretty much just storage. I need to clean it out, but it's just storage and stuff like that, so I'm not going to go into what's in these drawers exactly. But on the top here, the first thing that I have is makeup brushes. I have makeup brushes right here, and then I also have an e.l.f. primer that I don't really use, but it's still sitting there. I probably just need to throw it away, honestly. But in this jar, I covered it in these hair ties. They're really cute, actually. I don't know why I don't use them more. But these are the brushes that I use most often. So you have a bunch of eyeshadow brushes and face brushes. And then these are just my extra brushes that I don't use as much. There's a lot of eye brushes in here though. And then it's in this little pail. And then I have this coaster. I have another one that I'll show you. But I made this. It's kind of gross right now. And then on top of it, I just keep my tweezers and my nail clippers. And then in this white drawer, there's 3 compartments here. So in the top one, I think I keep eyeliners and eye products, and then also products that I haven't opened yet, like this Burt's Bees. I haven't opened these. And then I have this mascara that I haven't opened yet. And then I just have a couple of eyeliners in here as well. And then eyebrow products. I'm pretty sure this is an eye primer. Yeah. So I just have e.l.f. eyeliner. I have also this was in an Ipsy kit. I don't even know the brand. Tarte. It's Tarte. And then I also have these rhinestones that I did for a makeup look, but I don't use them on the daily basis. And then in this second drawer here, I have another thing that I haven't opened. I guess I just probably put that there for storage. I have some blush products and face products. I actually really downsized my makeup collection not too long ago, so I don't have as many products as I did in previous videos. I kind of pared it down to products that I know I use and that I'm going to use, and I kind of just got rid of the stuff that I don't use anymore, just save on storage and stuff. So in here I have this little Urban Decay sample that I actually use. I also have this Ipsy concealer. I have a Smashbox primer. I have this little Tarte sample of what is it called? A blush. And then I also have these two as well. I'm pretty sure they're both blushes. So there's the balm one. Oops. And I'm pretty sure there's also the balm. Yeah. And they're just little blush samples. I'm not going to open them. And then I have a Kylie Cosmetics highlighter right here. This one is so pretty. You can see me right there. But I really like that. And I just have it because I'm not going to throw that away. I paid a lot of money for it. And then this bottom one, I have my lip products. I got rid of a lot of my lip products. I pretty much just have lip glosses and liquid lipsticks in here. Some of these are kind of old, but I had some Kylie Cosmetics. It's another Kylie. I have a ColourPop. You can't even see the label on it because it's so old. Okay, and then I have a Kylie lip liner. I have the Summer McKeen lip gloss, which I've literally never worn. I still bought it. I have 2 of these NYX lingerie ones. I think maybe just one. I don't know. Another Kylie. I have this one, which I got an Ipsy kit. This one, which I got from an Ipsy kit as well. Moving on to here, I have this acrylic one that I got from Amazon. On top of here is this little like oh, I just messed them all up. This little cactus like earring and ring little tray, and yeah, I just keep my rings on here, and then I also have a bunch of earrings on here as well. Just putting that back. And I got this little tray from TJ Maxx, I think. And then in this top drawer is the makeup that I use every day. I don't really use this every day, but it's just in there. But yeah, I use this pretty much every day. All I do is mascara and then like eyebrow gel to hold them in place. I have an e.l.f. eyelash curler in here as well, and then like an old mascara that needs to be thrown away. The mascara that I'm using right now, is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I have an e.l.f. like eyebrow gel, and then I have this little eyebrow spoolie. I keep dropping everything. And then I also have some clean and clear oil absorbing sheets in case I need them. In this second drawer, I just have some random things. I don't think there's really a correlation to them, but I have this old Lash Sensational waterproof mascara. Then I have an eye primer, a beauty blender, well, it's like the off-brand version, and then I also have this Stay Matte powder by Rimmel London, whatever. Then I have this e.l.f. eye cream, which I use occasionally. And then also down here, I'm not going to take it out, but I have this like bronzer, blush, and highlighter little palette, contour palette thing. And then in the bottom here, again, no correlation. I just have some random things in here. I have this little illuminating palette. It's like it's a highlighter palette. I have these Maybelline The Blush Nudes palette, as well as underneath it, I also have the Nudes Maybelline palette. I have these 3 ColourPop shadows here, but I'm not going to take them out, but they're right here. Then I have 2 of these little Tarte liquid lipsticks, I think. And then I also have a Maybelline concealer. And then I have a Benefit Pore primer type thing. And then I also have this Maybelline baby, oh my god, I can't speak, BB cream. So that's what's in there. And if you guys are wondering, I literally don't use concealer, foundation. I don't use any of that, and I barely do eyeshadow. Yeah, this is all I use. In the middle here, this is really dirty. It's just old makeup and stuff that I've like, you know, rubbed off or whatever. But oops, I always have like a little towel down here. And then I have this makeup mirror that I'm pretty sure is from Amazon, but I don't know exactly. And then right here, I have this palette organizer from Amazon, and in it, I keep some of my palettes, actually all of my palettes, because I don't have that many. I'm just going to organize them a little bit so they're not all over the place. But I have the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. I'm not going to open it. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've had this for a while now. Then I also have the Lorac Pro palette, which I like. And then I have the Tartelette Toasted palette. And then I also have the Morphe palette. I don't know which one this is. 25B, that's the one. The Bronze Mocha palette. So I have 4 palettes that I use because I barely use them. But they're still there in case I ever want to use them. I forgot to show you guys, I also have the James Charles palette. Honestly, I forget that I have this thing. I've literally used it like twice. This is kind of a quarantine buy that I kind of just bought, you know, to buy it, whatever. But I barely use this as well, but I'm still going to keep it because it's pretty and I like it. I have this little jar. I don't know where I got it, but it's filled with like my lip balms and a couple lip glosses with like Burt's Bees. I'm really into Burt's Bees chapsticks. They're the only ones I use, except for I do have like a Sunbum one, and then I have this Carmex one, but I don't use it. And then I have this like I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but this little like lip treatment that I got from an Ipsy kit. And then I also have this lip gloss from TJ Maxx, I think. I don't even know the brand. I'm trying to read that. I can't read it, but... And then I have this another coaster that I made. And then I have this here. This is like a jewelry box. It's super pretty. I'm pretty sure this is from Charming Charlie. But just inside here, I don't keep very much, but I keep like 2 rings back here because they didn't fit on my little my ring tree thing. Then I also have this necklace in here. It's a love necklace. I keep most of my necklaces over on in a different spot, but that one's just here. And then, oh, I guess I have 2 more rings sitting here. Oh, yeah, I guess I have 2 rings sitting here. And then I have some bobby pins that I don't use, and 1 hair tie, 2 hair ties. And then over here, I have a candle. I don't know where this is. Oh my god. I don't know where this is from. I think Target, probably, maybe Walmart. I don't know. But it's in Caribbean sea breeze. Then I have a picture of Harry Styles, the king himself. This is like one of my favorite pictures of him, and I just framed it because it's cute, and I just keep it here. And then over here I have my contact case, and then I have this little like container that I keep my face lotion, moisturizer in. I also have my contact solution, and then I have 3 of the Marty Badescu sprays that I don't use very much, but I have the purple one, the lavender one, and then I have the green tea and aloe one, which is almost gone, and then I also have the rose water one, which is also almost gone. So yeah, I just keep those. Okay, so that was all for my like desk tour, and just the lighting is starting to get a little dark, so I'm gonna end the video now. But thank you so much to the person who suggested this. I don't know the name off the top of my head, but thank you so much for suggesting this video. If you guys want to suggest any videos, that'd be really cool. If you have any videos that you want to see, leave them down below in the comment section, and I will probably do them because I have no other videos to film. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe. It would help me out a lot. Make sure to follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram, which will be on the screen and in the description box below. And I think that's all I want to say. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.